Subscribe to Swaroop Stunt YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest videos from the world of stunt riding.
A new tail setup will cost you around 700 rupees. So what we have done, we have repaired the old tail setup. We have spent only 20 rupees and fixed the tail light. It is looking brand new. Wanna see how it is done? Please check out the video till the end.
We have removed the LED light of the bike. See, all the circuit board has been damaged due to water loss, so it cannot be repaired. So I have brought one LED strip, which is cheaper one. So we will fix this on the board and let's get started. See, this strip can be cut to 3 LED pieces. They have given the provision. So let's cut it to 6 pieces. Two strips we will fix here and one strip we will fix here. Now I have removed all the components of the board. So next let's fix this strip over to the board. Now let's solder this up. Then we have soldered all the LED lights and assembled the tail light.
If you like this video, hit that like button, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel because we are close to reach 1k subscriber mark, and the 1k subscriber will be awarded with a special gift from my side. So all the best guys.